This sport tori concern Chelsea o. The Blues don come out to call list 10 players wey say dem tier 10 net pass o for inside their team o. First person for the list na Frank Lampard. Like una know say na only 10 players na in tier net pass for inside Premier League o, pass the head coach manager when he dey play for the Blues o, as he score 147 times o. He don only score 20 goals o for inside all the competition o, but in best season na 2009 and 2010 o, when he score 22 times o. And that one na be the highest when he don score. The Blues fans go gree o, say dem no go forget the 2 goals wey he score against Bolton wey made dem win 2004 and 2005 Premier League title. The next person na Edwin Hazard. Like people know say Edwin Hazard na player wey dey make things dey happen o, and in 2 legs dey work well when he reach front of post o. In 7 years when he stay for inside the Blues good well o, as he tear 85 goals for inside the Premier League, and all the goals wey he score na 110 o for inside all the competition. The 3 goals when he score against Newcastle 2015 wey make dem carry Premier League cup, and also as he head back the penalty ball wey he miss wey dey bounce back, and the ogbonge equalizer against Tottenham wey make Tottenham not win the next season title, and the goal wey be say he score alone against Liverpool and Arsenal. Say dem no go forget all these goals at all o. Didier Drogba na the next person for the list. Since 4 years when he comot for Chelsea, na him be the only African player wey don tear net pass for inside Premier League, and he don tear about 104 times for inside the competition. Drogba wey dey wear number 11 wey win golden boot 2 times, and any kind of goal wey you dey think him dey score am o, but the effort wey he put for Champions League, we no go forget am quick o. They avoid and strike against Liverpool 2006, same message to other Premier League team o, and also the net wey he tear against Everton that same year. Na him kind of strike na him dey draw the Blues eye o. Jimmy Floyd has a bank. Na him be the next person o. Has a bank wey strong o. He get power and he dey vex the tear net o. He dey always score 20 goals for every season for the Blues. He win Premier League golden boot for inside his first season for the club o. He gather power and he no dey lose chance, and he know how to tear net wella. E go hard to see player wey get power wey dey tear better shot for Stamford Bridge o. He score hat-trick against Spurs o, and he dey like to dey suffer him fellow North London rival. He score 69 goals for inside 4 Premier League season. The next player for the list na Gianfranco Zola. If you talk about Zola, you talk about quality player. Na him be the player wey dey change things for inside match. No be now wey be say Chelsea fans dem don dey enjoy better players dem for inside Chelsea o. But during 1996, dem no get better players o wey get talent like the Italian style. He score free kick against Blackburn Rovers, and na him be the first goal wey he score. Since then, he don dey tear net o go reach the last goal wey he score. Stamford Bridge na better place o for Zola. This na Man About Town, reporting for Pidgin News Network.